Hey everyone, how's it going? Thank you so much for all the great ideas on what to draw from the new upcoming Godzilla and Kong: The New Empire movie. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Shimo standing up. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Shimo standing up, we're going to begin with the head, and we're going to put it right up here. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. Now to start off with Shimo's head, let's begin by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm going to bring it back here, kind of like a check mark shape. Then for the eye, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down and then up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and then another little line right underneath here. Then I like to add a couple little lines back here for some detail. And then right up here, I'm going to make kind of like a bumpy line that goes up and down for the eyebrow. Now, starting right here, we're going to start the nose. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. I'm just going to color in a little bit for the nostril. Then I'm going to make lines going to go up and down over here. Kind of do the same thing for a little bit of detail. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and then down. Then a little line that's going to come down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down to a little bit of a point, and we're going to bring it back up here. Then I'm going to come down and up, and then down again. We'll add a small line right here. And then right over here, I'm going to make lines going to come out, and then it's going to come up. We'll put a little curve right here for part of the eye. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then back in here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and then I'm going to bring this up here. We'll add a curved line for the back of the mouth. Then I'm going to add a row of sharp, pointy teeth. Next, I'm going to add a row of pointy teeth here, and then a couple more here. Now for the tongue, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down, and then one more that's going to come right to here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to come in. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to here, and then I'm going to bring this up to there. Then I'm going to make another line that's just going to come up here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up. Then I'm going to make kind of like a broken line across here and then come down. Let's make a little line here, and then we're going to put some little spikes coming up here on the top of Shimo's head. Then I'm just going to kind of add some little broken lines right around here. A little line or two here, kind of shape out the nose. A little line here. And then a couple little broken lines coming across here, and then a few going down for some extra detail. Now I'm going to add all the spikes on Shimo. So I'm going to make some long, kind of pointed spikes here. And then I'm just going to add a nice variety of these. So let's just go ahead and kind of add some of these spikes right around here. I'll get them a little bit smaller as they come to here. Then I'll add a few more. And then I'm going to kind of put some right behind each other as well, just to add some more details and make it look interesting. Then I always like to add some small little broken lines on some of them. Just give them a little bit more detail. And then a little line over here too. And we'll add a little line right there. Now, starting out here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out, then it's going to come down to here. And then same thing here, we're going to kind of come out and then in to kind of shape the neck. We'll make a little broken line here. And then we'll make some lines that just kind of go down and then up, just to show kind of like some wrinkles on the neck, and then a few little lines here. Now my next step is I'm going to zoom out so then we can focus on the whole body. Now, starting here, let's work on the chest of Shimo. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come out, and then I'll curve in. And then same thing here, I'm going to go out, and then curve in. Then I'm going to bring this line down here. Right here for the shoulder, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve in. Then I'll bring one down here. For the arm, I'm going to kind of curve in like this. And then I'm going to curve a line that comes down here. Then let's draw a little line here. Kind of bring this in. I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down to a point and up. We'll make another one that's going to come down to a point and up, down to a point up, and then down to a point and right up to here. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. I'm going to bring a line that's going to curve down here. And then a line that's going to curve here. I'm going to bring this line down, and then this line down here for the arm. Then I'm going to curve a line that comes down and up, and then down up. We're just going to do 3 over here. So it kind of looks like the other one's going to be hiding. Let's go ahead and add some claws on here. And then I'm going to bring this line down to here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to curve it back for the knee. We'll bring a line down here. Then I'm going to bring this line that's going to kind of come up and down to a point and then over. We'll make another one that's going to come down to a point, and then we're going to bring it back here. Then I'm going to bring this line up and over to here. And then I'm going to curve it up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down, leave some space, and then I'm going to bring this up here. I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to bring this line kind of out and then down. I'm going to bring this down here, and then I'm going to make a point that comes down for a toe. One here, kind of curves up. Little line here, and then a line that comes down to a point. And then one more out to a point and up here. Then we're going to bring this up. Next, we're going to bring this line down to kind of shape out where the tail's going to go. Then I'm going to bring this line up here. Then I'm just going to curve this down. And then we're going to add a couple little curved lines here for some detail. Just kind of make it look like the tail's kind of wrinkled. Now, on the end of the tail, we're going to make some spikes. So let's draw some lines that kind of come out and then up and down. And I'm just going to kind of continue making these all the way around, just to kind of show he's got this really spiked tail. They almost kind of look like big crystals, almost. Now on the toes, I'm going to add these little curved lines on each one, just so we can see where the toenails are. And then let's go ahead and add some of these extra little curved lines in here. Then right along the back here, let's go ahead and make some more spikes on Shimo. So I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to come up and down. Then kind of starting behind it, I'm going to make a bigger one. And then I'm just going to kind of fill in this area here with some smaller spikes. Kind of bring some to the tail and come down. And then I'm just going to add a few little small ones right there. Then I'm just going to add a few kind of small spikes in different spots going down his tail. Now, here's our basic shape of Shimo. Now I want to come in here and add some of the different details. So I'm going to start right here. I'm just going to make some lines that are just going to kind of go down, and then they're going to go up and then down and back up. And we're just going to kind of bring these right across the chest here. And then I'm just going to start making some lines that are just going to kind of go down and up. And we're going to do this all the way down towards the tail. And you can even make some of these kind of like broken, just kind of add some of that texture. And I'm going to continue these lines all the way towards the tail. I'm going to put some little broken lines coming down here and here. And then I'm going to make some of these little kind of curved lines all the way around the arms. Just to kind of give them some detail. So I'm just going to do this all around here to kind of fill it in. And then I'm going to add some extra little lines right by the claws. And then some little lines coming right across the hands too. I'm going to make a couple kind of curved, wrinkly lines right here on the knee. And then kind of the same thing over here. Then let's just kind of go ahead and make some of these extra little kind of broken lines all around here. Just kind of make it look a little bit more realistic. Shimo's got a lot of texture on him. So we're just going to put all these little extra lines kind of over here. Then I'm going to put a couple little lines kind of coming down the body here. I'll add another little broken line here. And then some little kind of lines all around here as well on the spikes on the back. And there you go, there is your drawing of Shimo standing up from the new Godzilla and Kong, the New Empire. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.